Hello everyone. Today we'll be doing a review of the BIC Student's Choice Mechanical Pencil 0.9 millimeters. Now this is just your basic no frills mechanical pencil. What you see is what you get. It's just a thin plastic barrel, small clip, small eraser, and that's about it. You can add lead to it by removing the eraser, like so. But it's also cheap enough that it can be treated as disposable. It has a classic wood case design, with the barrel being yellow and a light wood color for the tip. It is a number 2 pencil and is certified by Scantron for use on standardized tests, making it useful for students as the name implies. One of these mechanical pencils is the equivalent of 2.5 wood case pencils, so you can count on this to last long, even if you have no interest in refilling the lead. The clip does feel cheap, and I'd imagine if you push the limits of what it can grip, it would snap. So I'd recommend not clipping this onto anything thicker than a notebook cover or your pocket. Since the barrel is thin and there's no comfort grip of any kind, it's not the most comfortable pencil to use. However, I didn't notice any excessive strain in my hand, so it's not terrible to use for longer periods of time. So let's see how it does writing. So it writes well, feels smooth, and I didn't experience any instances of lead breaking. Take a look at some writing we did prior. The lines have an average look, not too dark or too light. The eraser performed very well. Very light pencil marks erased completely, while medium marks were barely noticeable after erasing. Even dark lines weren't very evident after we erased them, and it also produced very little dust while erasing, which is a huge plus. So, overall, this is a very good entry-level basic mechanical pencil. It's cheap, disposable, and performs well, so it really is an ideal choice for a student. You can buy a 12-pack of these and have enough pencils for a semester or even an entire school year, and it won't matter if you lose or break a few of them. If you're looking for a basic pencil to use for notes and Scantron tests, don't want to spend a lot, and don't care about the bells and whistles on a lot of modern-day mechanical pencils, then this is a great choice for you. That's about it. Thanks for watching.